The 8 days Fidau prayer of a community leader, Alhaji Adefeso, and late father of his staff of NTA Imeko, Lukman Adefeso, has been held. Anthony Ganduno witnessed the ceremony held at Ibiade community in Ogun Waterside local government area of Ogun State, and now reports.
That Quranic citation by Islamic scholars speaks volume of situation at Ibiade community as family, friends, relatives and Muslim faithful from Ile-Ife, Ijebu-Ode, Lagos and within Ogun State converged to honor late Alhaji Adefeso at his 8-day Fidau of his demise from the land of the living. In a brief lecture, the Eketa Diniagba of Ibiade land, Alhaji Adefeso reminded the congregation the temporary nature of our existence and the need to worship our Creator as well as impact positively on humanity for us to enjoy eternal rest. Apart from the prayer for the repose of the deceased, other supplications were also made for the Adefeso family, the children, and the Ibiade community at large. Guests were thereafter entertained, where sub-members of the Adefeso family and the Imam of Ile-Ife Muslim community, where late Alhaji Adefeso lived before his death, shared their memorable experience with late Alhaji Adefeso while he was alive.
It was one that took me from beginning to where I am today. So therefore, I appreciate him. I appreciate God. May God continue to give him a perfect rest.
From Lukman Adefeso act and behavior, we could see that it's really come from a very lovely home, and the training that Alhaji Adefeso has given has reflected in him and other members of the family, siblings as well.
Children in their tribute spoke glowingly about the life and time of their late father.
He said anything in this life, we should not quarrel with anybody. Anything that upset us, we should call the person and tell him. Even if he did not allow, we should just forgive and forget.
I love my dad. My dad is amazing dad. He was there for every one of us. My dad is not educated, but he has almost 14 graduates. In fact, I love my dad. I used to call my dad after God.
My father is a role model, is a mentor, is somebody who can be a father and a mother to any son or daughters. Yes, he has given a good legacy, which anybody can even emulate. I believe if I can still come back to this life, I believe I want him to still be my father.
Alhaji Adefeso, a great man, a very religious man, very thorough, a no-nonsense man, a complete family man. Alhaji has made and built a lot of people. Alhaji is known for credibility. Alhaji is so open and so accommodating.
Alhaji Adefeso, who died last Thursday at the age of 104 years old, was a staunch Muslim faithful, a community leader, and astute trader. He was survived by children, grandchildren, and great-grandchildren, among whom is Mr. Lukman Adefeso, a staff of the Nigerian Television Authority, NTA, from Ibiade in Ogun Waterside local government area of Ogun State. Anthony Ganduno, NTA News.